Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a recipe of a very popular North Indian bread, Aloo Paratha. It's a complete meal by itself and these parathas are very tempting with a medium spicy potato filling and slightly crispy outside. It goes well with some raita, pickle or yogurt. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make the dough for the parathas. For that, I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of veg oil. You can use any veg oil. And using my hands, I'm going to mix the dough. Now I'm going to add water. I've taken around half cup of water. And keep on mixing till you get a soft dough. Our dough is ready. Now just apply some oil or ghee as per your need. Our dough is ready. Let's keep this aside for 10 minutes and meanwhile we'll get the stuffing ready. For that, I've taken 3 boiled and mashed potatoes. If you don't have a masher at home, then you can either use your hands or with the bottom of a glass, you can mash the potatoes. So our potatoes are ready. Now to this, I'm going to add onions. Here I've taken half of an onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder goes in and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder, it's optional, half teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped and few chopped coriander leaves. I love coriander leaves, so I'm adding a little more and just mix it up using your hands. Our potato stuffing is ready. Next is to knead the dough for another 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm going to make small portions out of it. So the dough is here. I'm just spreading some flour. Now I'm just going to divide it. And make small balls. I have made 7 balls and it's ready. Now let's start with the preparation. Sprinkle some flour on the countertop. And press it gently. And just flatten it. Now let's place the filling inside like this. And then wrap it. See how I'm doing. So you have to wrap the dough like this. See, like this, and just press it in the center. And twist it, and you can pinch off the extra and press it gently. It looks like this. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to dip it inside the flour, cover it up fully, and just place it in the center. And using your hands, you can just gently press it. Now let's roll it slightly. You have to be very careful while rolling. Dip it again in the dry flour and then start rolling again. Imagine as if you are giving a massage to your dear one. It's ready. See, now I'm just going to transfer it to a plate and then start off with the second one. Same way we shall do with the rest of our balls. Next is to heat up a tawa or a griddle and apply some ghee or oil. And then place in our parathas. You have to cook it on a medium flame. Flip it over and press it gently, and you have to cook it till you get a nice golden brown color. I'm just going to apply some more ghee on top. I'm going to flip it back again. The color looks perfect for me, so I'm just going to place it back into a plate. Our parathas are ready and smells delicious. Just look at it. Wow, it looks so good, and very hot parathas with yummy stuffing cooked in ghee, and I can't wait to have it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like, and see you in my next video.